On the bottom white and bottom burgundy ribbon, I'm putting the shiny side down, and on the top burgundy and top white, I'm putting the shiny side up. Staple these ribbons together so they stay in place, but you will be removing this later. Tape it down to keep it stable. Take the left burgundy ribbon between the two whites, so it's now on the right side, sitting below the other burgundy. Take the top right burgundy under the top white and other burgundy. Now bring it back around and over the top of the white, so it's back on the right side. Now take the top burgundy under all the ribbons and bring it back over the top of the white on the furthest left and under the next white ribbon, so it's back to the right. Always start braiding with the top right ribbon. Now this one is going to go under the top two, back around and back over that white one, and it's going to rest back at the right side but under the other burgundy. So you will start braiding with the next burgundy. Now we're going all the way back under all of them and back over the white on the left and under the next white. The next burgundy will only go under the top two and back around that white. So you are constantly braiding with the two ribbons on the right. About every 3 inches of braiding, I want you to take it off and start pulling like I'm doing right here. You should see the pattern start to form. Now you cannot pull it while it's still taped to the table. It just won't work. Just remember, while you're braiding, you're always going to start with that top right ribbon, and you're always going to alternate which two ribbons on your left you're going to go under and over. It's constantly alternating, and you will see this diamond pattern take shape. When you get to the end, you may want to pull the whole braid like I'm doing here. It helps not just to pull the ends of the ribbons, but to pull the braid as well. Now remove the staple and start pulling the ends of those ribbons, because you want this braid to be nice and snug. You will see I go back and forth on each end and pull those ribbons until I get that braid as tight as I can get it, because I want that diamond pattern to really stand out.